Okay, so let's get started. You can actually do this same workout without weights, but I have a 10-pound kettlebell and I have 2 5-pound dumbbells. So I'm going to use those because it definitely kicks up the intensity. So I'm not going to do, you can set it on a program, but I'm just going to do it manually. And it goes all the way up to 99. I'm going to set it at 45. And I love this because you really can just kind of go at your own pace. So use your own kind of discretion for this. Okay, so the first thing I will do is, and all of these things can be done without the vibration plate. So they are very effective without the vibration plate, but with the vibration plate, you get an amazing workout. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is kettlebell swings in squats. So you squat. This is a shoulder workout and a leg workout. I'm going to do 2 sets of 15. Make sure you don't go above your shoulder. Okay, I think I did one extra. Then I'm going to do one more set. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's a good little warm up. It's already getting hot. I might have to lower my air conditioning. So now I'm going to do some squats. So what I do is it's 15 minutes and I'll do like 5 minutes of each body part. Okay. Now I'm going to, basically it's all squats, but you just vary how you stand. Now you can see like my whole body is shaking. So I'm actually working out all of these muscles, even by just standing here. So this is more like inner thigh and outer glutes. Okay, take a break. And the break is not really a break because you're always working, but I try to stay in sets of 15. Do another set. Okay, 5 more. Okay, I feel that in my legs. I don't know if it's because I've already done a kettlebell workout or if it's just, so I'm going to put these down. And for the last minute, I'm just going to do plain squats with my legs a little bit closer together. Okay, one more. All right, so that's actually the first 5 minutes. So the next is I'm going to do some shoulders. So take my dumbbells and just do shoulder raises, 2 sets of 15. If you want an extra leg workout, you can kind of keep your legs bent while you're doing this. Okay, that was one set. I like to kind of, in between sets when I'm not doing my legs, I like to just give a little bit of a squat. Works out my whole leg, like everywhere from your calves, inner thighs, outer thighs, glutes. All right, next set. Okay, I'm going to do one more set of those, but in between I'm going to do arm raises. So we'll do 20 of these, 10 on each side. Again, you can get down into the squat position if you want, and this can be done without the vibration plate, and it's still really effective. Keep in mind, I am 50 years old and I am not super in shape. So if I can do this, y'all can do this. And even if you are in shape and like to go to the gym a lot, this is a great kind of break when you can't make it to the gym, but you still want to get a workout in. If you can only go to the gym a few days a week, but you can do this workout, which is 15 minutes, 5 days a week, then you tell me which one's more effective. Okay, ready for our third set? And I don't like to do heavy weights. I have a lot of chronic pain. And if I used to do heavy weights, and it will give you great results, you will get very strong. But as we get older, our joints will pay the price. And there are some people who can handle it, but most people struggle with the heavy weights in midlife. If you do heavy weights, you definitely don't want to do this long of a workout. You max out at like 8 reps and a couple sets. Five more. Okay, I'm going to do one extra. Now, in between my last exercise, I do another set of the kettlebell swings, 15. So a total of 3 reps of these. Because you just did your shoulders, this is going to definitely give you that extra boost on your shoulder and your abs. And it feels kind of easy because you have the momentum. Four, three, two, one. All right, we're down to the last 5 minutes. Now, at this point in time, you can go up or down. I'm just going to go up slightly, not much. I went up to 48. Now it's triceps. Now, if you can manage sucking in your stomach here, you get your abs worked out. I do 25 reps of these twice. And I try to kind of get my knees soft. I can feel my glutes still working. Make sure your arms are kind of next to your ears. I lost count. I think I'm at 12. Seven, 5, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Okay, so I'm going to take a break before I do my second set and do a couple squats. Okay, 10. Second set of triceps. Now, I'm going to show you, you can also do these with the kettlebell. It's the same weight, so. Four, 3. Ooh. Take a second break, and then do the last 10. Two, 1. Okay, so we have 2 minutes left, and I finish up with, I call them flashers. I don't know what the correct term is for them, but they work kind of the inside of your biceps, your chest, and they're a little bit kind of less taxing. So I like ending with them. I usually try to do 50 if I can. And the slower and more controlled you do these, the more you'll feel them. Keep your arms tucked in. And you'll see my legs are a little bit bent. Okay, 20 left. I'm at the last minute. My vibration plate might turn off. Turns off automatically. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll do one more because I don't know if I counted right. Oh, look, right on time. Okay, so that is it. My workout is actually done for today. I took my dog on a walk earlier, and with that, that's all I really do. So you can see how working out at home, even if you don't have a gym membership or you don't have time to go to the gym, you can get a really effective workout at home. A lot of times I'll turn YouTube on or turn the music on just to make it more enjoyable. But hopefully you guys like that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know your questions. Let me know if you want to know what kind of vibration plate I use, because this is the one I chose. There's many different options out there, and there are reasons I chose this one. So until the next video, I'll see you guys soon.